Hi everyone, I'm sorry that I couldn't be in class today. My name is Miss Barker. I'll be your science teacher for semester 2. Um, I'm on an excursion with my year 12s today, so unfortunately it meant that I've needed to miss your first class. I thought I would try giving you some instructions using a screencast today, so we'll see how it goes. I'm going to make myself smaller. Okay, so I'm up in the corner now. What I would like you to do for today's lesson is first of all open this PowerPoint that you can see. I've sent you a link, it's in your email. What I want you to do is in small groups of say 4 or 5 students, what I want you to do is talk about these questions on on slide 2. Talk about them with your group. What I want you to do is also jot down your ideas on a piece of butcher's paper. The butcher's paper is at the front of the room with some texters for you to write down your ideas. You should spend about 15 minutes on this activity. Okay, following that, what I would like you to do is sit down, go through the rest of the slides in the PowerPoint. You can see that there's 8 slides in total, so there's some good information on the rest of those slides. So I want you to read through that information, and that is going to help you with the second activity for today's lesson, which is it's what we call it's a genetics roulette activity. So what it does is it looks at particular traits that humans might have, and we're just going to record whether or not we can do certain things. So whether we can roll our tongue, like you can see in the picture here, and we're going to record our heights, and we're going to record a few other things. Those observations that we're making are going to be recorded in a Google spreadsheet, just like this one. This is the data from my class yesterday, so I've sent you a link to this document. You guys are set 8, so you'll need to click on set 8 first, and you can see that my information is already in here. So I've just put a Y for yes, I can roll my tongue, and when I cross my hands over, my left thumb ends up on top. I put an N for no, because the question is my right thumb on top up here, etc. Okay, and if I scroll across here, you can see that there's columns to fill in all the way up to K. So there's a couple that might need a bit of information, so I'll just give you a quick run through. For column D, a cleft in your chin is just a little dimple about here. Your earlobes, you need to look at how they attach to the side of your head. Is it like a free lobey type arrangement, or does it kind of just join straight onto the side of your head? For your second toe longer than your first, you may need to take your shoes off to check, but my second toe is definitely longer. With mid-digital hair, on your fingers, the middle digit is this one here. Okay, so it's not the biggest one here. It's the next one up, so the one that's in the middle. So if you can think, you've kind of got like 3 sections to your finger. Okay, so the middle one is there. Some people have hair on this knuckle, some people don't. For widow's peak, that's about your hairline. So if you pull your hair back, if your hairline is a straight line, then you don't have a widow's peak. I don't have one, my hairline's straight. But some people will find that their hair comes sort of down in the middle, and it's further back at the sides here, and that would be called a widow's peak, so you put a yes there for that. With your fingernails, you need to look at them side on. Mine come out quite straight, but some people's will curve around the end of their finger a little bit. And so I've said mine are flat. And then obviously measuring your height and the inner length of your little finger, so that's this side here. That's quite easy. You can do that with a ruler, and there's a measuring tape mounted on the wall towards the back of the room. Some of you will have used it before to measure your height. Take your shoes off for your height. Okay, and so you'll enter your data into this sheet, and then you just need to put your name in, and then enter all of your student example, and then you just enter all of your information in. Okay, once you've done that, I want you to open the genetic roulette worksheet that I've sent to you, and I want you to answer the questions in that worksheet. One of the questions asks you to make a histogram or a column chart using Excel, and I'm going to post a separate video to show you how to do that. Okay, so hopefully those instructions are clear, and you can get all that work done with the substitute teacher who's with you today. Bye.